Hi guys, I'm Amanda and I'm gonna show you how to make a Brushbot today. A Brushbot's just a little robot and we're gonna be using a vibrating motor to make it move like this. To make your Brushbot, what you'll need is a toothbrush, a motor, a watch battery, some double-sided tape, googly eyes, and some pipe cleaners. Start by breaking the handle off your toothbrush. We're gonna need this later. Take your motor, which has 2 wires attached to it, and connect the wires to your watch battery. You're gonna take the red wire and connect that to the positive side of the battery, and the other wire is gonna be on the negative side of the battery. Now grab your toothbrush, and we're gonna tape the motor and the battery to the top side of your toothbrush. Now that the Brushbot's complete, we can decorate it. Now we're gonna use our pipe cleaners and our googly eyes and any other fun things we want to make our Brushbot unique and move around. And there you have it. You have your own Brushbot. And don't forget, you can always tinker and create new ways for it to move around. And if you're looking for more fun, come check us out at imaginationstationtoledo.org.